Hi, it's Joy. There is one really cool function that your phone can do with your Tesla car that a lot of new owners may not know about. So here's a scenario. Let's say that you are with some friends and very spontaneously somebody just said, "Hey, I heard about this cool restaurant. How about we go grab a bite there?" And you're like, "Sure, what's the name of it?" And you pull up your map app on your phone and you look up that restaurant. And then you're like, "Yeah, let's just go there and we'll meet up there." There is a way for you to send that address of that lookup from your phone's map app directly to your Tesla so that when you get into the car is ready to navigate over. So this is a quick video. Let me show you how it's done and you're gonna love it. Okay, I hope you can see Google Map on my phone through my GoPro. But let's say that my friends and I were talking about getting some udon. Then what I would do is come to my map app and just type in the udon place like normal, however you would search for a place. And once this pulled up, I just need to select this. And then on the iPhone, there's this upper right-hand corner with the upper arrow pointing up. Then what you would do is you would tap on it, and then you can scroll and find the Tesla app down here. And once you set to Tesla, it said that it's being sent to Joy Mobile. And now immediately on the navigation in my car, that destination is pulled up. So you don't have to come into your car, type in the name of the place or look up the address. You can just send it directly from your phone. It is so convenient. That's a pretty neat feature, right? So now whenever you are trying to go somewhere spontaneously and you're not in your car, you can just look it up from your phone, send it over to your Tesla, get into your car, and it's going to be right on the navigation screen. You just shift to drive and the car is ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one, and God bless.